I have a lingering issue in my mind.
Mm-hmm.
Right. This is a live case which has happened to a friend of mine. A 17-year-old boy was suffering some appendicitis. Right? They went to the doctor. The doctor said it is very, very critical. You need to do the operation on Tuesday. But the parents, they believed in Jatakam and Joshyam, everything. They said Tuesday is not an auspicious day. We will get it done on Wednesday. It is unfortunate, Dr. Prasad, the boy died because of the appendix rupture. Is it so relevant? Is it so important to look into Jatakams and Jyotitams for medical related thing? Why I'm putting this question to you, doctor? You got gold medal in medical astrology. You are the right person to comment on this. So with this, a pain in my heart, I wanted to seek some clarification from you on this aspect. Over to you, Dr. Prasad.
Okay, thanks, Radhakrishnan. And it's very unfortunate that that boy has died because of whatever reason it is, right? So there are multiple things here that people have to understand. Okay, so number one is whenever the patient, somebody is critical, irrespective of the age, right? Whenever the patient is critical, yes, that can be assessed, predicted, how the patient is going to do based by looking at the particular person's horoscope. Okay, using
Okay.
astrology, that is very clear, we can do that. Okay. And the question is, when the patient is very critical, and then when the doctors, right, the medical professionals are recommending to do certain surgeries or whatever certain treatments, right, for that, we should do it immediately. You should not be waiting for an auspicious time. Okay, that is number one. So don't wait. If whenever whoever comes to me, right, this is what I will tell. Okay, if the patient is critical, tell, okay, go and listen to the doctor what he says. He or she says, if they are telling you to do the surgery now you do it. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. On the flip side is like for really matured people, right? So now I'll talk about the second aspect.
Okay.
In my opinion, even if they have done the surgery for that boy on that night or whatever the time, right?
Tuesday.
Still that surgery wouldn't have been successful. Okay. So because karma overrules everything, it doesn't matter whether we do the surgery or not do the surgery, you go to astrologer or not go to astrologer, it really doesn't matter, right? Karma is the supreme. So whenever a person is born in this life, right, is born, and his or her date of death is also written, that date nobody can change it. Okay, so there is no question of you going to astrologer or somebody saying that do this, do that, and all, right? But as an astrologer, uh, we will be able to predict what is going to happen, right? But again, I mean, astrologers are not gods, right? So we cannot pinpointedly say yes, this person will not survive, but we can tell, okay, this person can survive or cannot survive. But again, that information as an astrologer, I will keep it to myself. I will not be revealing that to the patient or his family members unless they specifically ask. Okay, so for example, again, I'll share like my another one or two examples here, right? Like in medical doctors, right? How they go to for a second opinion to another doctor, another professional doctor, right? Like
Yeah.
that. And then even we astrologers, at least I encourage my fellow astrologers to reach out to me for a second opinion like that. Okay. So it has happened so many times. They share some horoscope like this. Okay, this person is very critical, this person is undergoing to or this surgery, what do you think, what is your opinion? So then we that conversation happens between two astrologers, it doesn't really go to the patient. So I tell them, okay, this person, time is not good, and this patient may not survive even if that surgery, you do the surgery, right? And then for some patients, I tell, okay, this person has a chance of recovery. Yes, it is critical, but this patient will recover, come out of that illness, right? See, so that is there. That is what the karma is. Nobody can, overrule that, right? Then again, coming back to this, right? Okay, is astrology should be believed? The medical sciences is, whatever, because all doctors have that opinion. A lot of educated people also have that opinion. Tell me one thing: if the medical sciences is so perfect and so supreme, why are the doctors are getting a consent form signature from the patient whenever before any surgery is done? Whenever patient goes for a surgery, the doctors, the hospital asks the patient to sign a consent form to do the surgery, and then they are not responsible for it, for the outcome of the surgery, right? If the science is so perfect, the doctors are so perfect, then why are they taking the signature? That means what? There is some element of risk which is unknown to everybody, right? So that risk, the educated people call risk. Sometimes if it works in a favorable way, they call luck, they call miracle, they call all that things. What I say, that is the karma, that is the fate. The fate is controlling it, ruling it. We are nobody. Whether it is astrologer or a doctor or a surgeon, doesn't matter. We are nobody before that, right? So this is what we have to keep in mind, right? Again, whenever patient is very critical, you cannot take chances, right? See, at the end of the day in life, I follow this principle very much, right? We should not regret at a later state, hey, I should have done this, I should have done that, right? We should not regret. It could be anything. So I always tell and I always recommend people to go and do what they want to do, right? And then karma will decide based on that person's fate. The karma will decide to give the fruits or not. That is what Bhagavad Gita also says. Lord Krishna also say. Lord Krishna doesn't say you worship me. He says you go and do your karma. That's all, right? Okay, I think did I answer your question, or are there any?
Yeah, it's a real eye opener. But astrology and science, they always do the Tom and Jerry. Like medical professional asks, you believe me? Astrologers are asking, if you are so much perfect in your science, why the hell you are asking a no signature? There's an element of doubt. So the element of doubt is everywhere, and this will keep on continuing between the medical professionals and astrologers. Thanks. But one thing to our viewers, as Dr. Prasad said, if something is critical, if time is the essence, utilize that, get everything done on the prescribed time as advised by the medical professional.
Thanks for watching my video.
Thank you,
If
doctor.
you need
We
astrology
started
or
with
Vastu
a
consultations, please contact me at 408-909-5867 or visit at my website www.astrologyforYOU.us.